at the airport.
Yes, we're back.
And this time we're going to
Bacolod.
Bacolod City, the city of smiles. So come with us, let's go! Hi guys! We're waiting for our flight.
Say hi.
So story time before our flight. It's the first time that we tried parking here at the airport. So we wanted to do it at the multi-level parking here in Terminal 3. But it was full. Good thing we left really early. So we had to wait for them to open. Unfortunately, they didn't open, and the guard said that it's really full. So we went to Park and Fly. That was our plan B. But then Park and Fly was also full. They were only accepting those with reservation. So we got rejected again. And we ended up parking at the Terminal 3 open parking. So, I think they charge the same as the multi-level parking. But, you know, your car is exposed because it's not covered. But at least we got to park and we made it on time. So we already did online check-in. So, we didn't have any much trouble with that. So, yeah. We're just waiting for our flight now. And we're just gonna have breakfast. See you later! Airport breakfast. Wonton soup, siomai, spring roll, and yang chow. Boarding time. So now we're here sa isa sa mga talagang pinunta namin dito sa Bacolod. Welcome to Manokan country! We're ready for you, Aida! Here we go! Come on, let's go! So, how do you feel that you're finally here in Aida's?
I'm hungry and I'm so excited to eat because this is my dream. Here in Aida.
Yay! We're about to eat. No, we're waiting for our order. So guys, we're finally here in Aida's, waiting for our order. I'm super excited for this because well, I've tried it before when I went here in Bacolod and in Cebu. I lived in Cebu I worked there for around 4 years. When in Cebu, they opened a branch there, and it's always my go-to place for inasal. It's really good. So I'm excited to have Tony try it, and I'll eat Aida's again. Woohoo! Look at that. We ordered kansi and some paa and puwet. I don't know what it's called in Bacolod. Anyway, we're about to eat. Tony has her gloves ready. We're about to dig in. Let's go. I'm about to try the kansi. There it is. Try natin. Really good. Sarap. Sarap. Kakain lang kami ha. Diyan lang kayo. Wait for us. We'll be back later. And here is the winner of all, guys. Their isaw. Look at that. It's so clean. See? Wow! Ito talaga po, ladies and gentlemen, ang nilipad ko papunta dito sa Bacolod. This isaw. This isaw. So, ito talaga isaw na to, guys. Sobrang favorite ko to. So, excited. Medyo na late sila ng labas, pero first bite of the isaw. Still the same. Still the same. Super yummy. You have to try Aida's when you go to Bacolod. When you go to Manokan country, out of all the restaurants here, for me, personal opinion, but for me, Aida's is the best. Tuloy ko lang kain ito ha. Laters. Another favorite here in Bacolod is Felicia's. Here. I usually go to the one in Lacson, on Lacson Street. But since we came from Manokan country and SM is right in front of Manokan country, we actually went here to look for something, but we saw that there's a Felicia's here, so we'll try it here. Para one blow na rin. So, here's Felicia's. I'll show you their cakes. It's really good. So they have a whole bunch of yummy cakes. And for sure, you'll have a hard time deciding what you want, like us. So, got the Felicia's chocolate cake. They're famous for this one. And another one of their bestseller is the Sanserval. And Sanserval is my favorite cake. So we'll try it. So, itong si Kuya, dito sa Felicia's, binubudol po ako. Kasi ngitikman ko lahat ng cakes. And he told me that this one, the Pili crumble, he said it's good. So it's in a box, but I'll try the one. Thank you. I'll try the individual one. See if it's really good. Hey! Alam mo, antik pa mahulog. Wow. Yeah, I'll try it. Mm. Mm. Sarap nga. Pero sabi ni Kuya, mas mura daw yung individual. Kasi yung packaging daw yung binatay. Huwag niyo po i-fire si Kuya. He's just trying to be nice. I'll try the sensory ball. Ay. Siyempre galing sa ref, medyo matigas, di ba? Here. Super good. That's my kind of sensory ball. Oh my god. Oh, yummy. It's so yummy. Thank you, Felicia. I'll try the... You said this is the best seller, Felicia chocolate. I'll try it. Super good. We're now here at Tractor Cafe. This is just located beside the ruins. So we're gonna have breakfast here. Tara. Here's our food. We ordered farmer's breakfast. Mine is with hamonado chorizo. It comes with danggit and other things. And Tony ordered mortadella sausage. So also with danggit, 2 eggs, pork and beans. And then our juices. Excited to eat breakfast. Yes.
Matao siguro dito sanay na black lang.
Let's try it. Good.
Sarap na.
I ordered dessert. This is called galletas de leche. It looks so good. Let's try it. It's so good. If you like it milky and creamy and this is really good. It's my kind of cake. I'll just enjoy it. I'll see you later. We super enjoyed our meal here at Tractor Cafe. Guys, super sarap. Pero lahat ng pagkain sa Bacolod, sobrang yummy. Ay, nako. Bawal kami tumira dito kasi lalo kaming lalaki. No. Jujubis daw. Jujubis. So, this is the parking area in Tractor Cafe. And you enter here, you get there to the main cafe, and they have outdoor seating right here. So super nice. Super nice than even the parking area. We're currently at the ruins, and there's an entrance fee of 150 for adults and I think 80 pesos for kids. But you can also choose to get the 400 pesos consumable, so which you can get from their cafe. So, let's go and check out the ruins. Just the trivia, the ruins is considered as the Taj Mahal of the Philippines. It was built by Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson for his wife, who died giving birth to their 8th child. And then it was built in the 1900s, and unfortunately during the Japanese time it was burnt down by the guerrillas to avoid it being used as Japanese headquarters. So we're about to enter the ruins. Let's go. So this used to be the foyer of the house that Don Mariano built, and this is how it looks now.
Everybody, I would like first to introduce myself. My name is Roger, and everybody welcome to my mansion. Welcome to the mansion of Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson, or popularly known as the Ruins. Before we enter around the place, I will give you first a brief information about the family history of Don Mariano, kung saan ako nanggaling. We are already at rank 12 for the most fascinating ruins, not only here in the Philippines, but around the world.
Nice.
And imagine, di ba guys, yes, imagine kung ilang ruins mayroon sa buong mundo. For the records ni research kung there are 12 ruins. More than 1,000 ruins mayroon sa buong mundo. But being at rank 12, nakaka-proud sa Pilipino na may isang nasama. Take note, hindi naman ito magiging best landmark, hindi naman ito magiging best destination kung salita ko dito walang katao-tao. That because of you yun, and we're thankful for that.
Behind me is the ruins. It's really nice, and the guide was really good. It's so funny. And this is the fountain. There, they said that this is still the original fountain from 1920s, except for the water. Yan. And they have this fresh cane juice here inside the ruins. from the abundant sugarcane fields of Negros. Thank you. Thank you. So we just got our sugarcane juice. We'll try it. Ang sarap. Kahit lahat ng nasa Bacolod, masarap.
Refreshing.
Kahit juice, it's really good. And they said that it has 18 amazing benefits.
Thank you.
And that's it for this vlog. Watch out for part 2 of our Bacolod trip. You can also use our Klook promo code Chub Explorers for your bookings to get a 5% discount. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!